How to remove the touch pointer on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable and disable the screen touch indicator directly from developer options. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Developer Options. Since Developer Options is already enabled, we can jump straight into it. From there, once you're inside, scroll down through the options until you find the Input section. At this point, under the Input section, look for the option that says Show Taps or Show Touch Pointer, depending on your device. This is the setting that controls the visible dot that appears every time you tap the screen. In the next step, tap on the toggle next to it to switch it on. Go ahead and tap anywhere on your screen and you'll immediately notice a small pointer appearing at every point of contact. Following this feature can be really useful if you're recording your screen or doing a tutorial and want viewers to clearly see where you're tapping. Once done, to turn it back off, simply come back to the same setting in Developer Options and tap the toggle again to disable it. From here, head back to your home screen and tap around to confirm that the touch pointer is no longer showing up. At this stage, keep in mind that this setting resets itself after a restart on some Android devices, so you may need to turn it back on manually if you need it again. Finally, if you ever need to quickly toggle it on or off, you now know exactly where to find it inside Developer Options. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable and disable the touch pointer on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.